Welcome back to Tech2 Cash, where I show you simple and realistic ways to earn online. Today, I'm sharing 3 side hustles you can start with just your phone. No laptop, no expensive equipment, just your smartphone and consistency. Side hustle 1, micro video editing. You can edit short TikTok, Reels, and YouTube shorts for creators. Apps like CapCut make it easy. Templates, auto captions, transitions. Creators need editors daily. Side hustle 2, social media management. Help small businesses manage their pages. You can schedule posts, reply to comments, design simple flyers, and grow engagement. All from your phone using Buffer, Meta Business Suite, or Canva. Side hustle 3, freelance voiceovers. Use your phone plus a quiet room. Record voiceovers for ads, animations, explainers, and TikTok videos. Upload samples on Fiverr, Upwork, or Instagram. I can break down any of these into a full step-by-step tutorial. Just comment the one you want, and make sure you subscribe to Tech2 Cash for more daily digital income ideas.